Hi, Zesties. Okay, we have a feast today, and I'm so excited. Let's see, this is spicy snow chicken, Lucky Me pancit canton, spam tofu, soft boiled eggs. Let's go. You know what? I really want to eat the pancit canton, so let's just go straight for some of that. Mmm. Mmm. So good. I want to try to get one with an egg as well. I'm cheating. Whatever. Mmm. Ooh. That was so good. I didn't just shimmy, I had a seizure. Dang, Zesties. Ugh. I mean, that is so, so good. And you know this is a big plate when some of it spills off the side. Okay, now let's get to that. Spicy snow chicken. Mmm. 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 And that is with the carbonara spicy sauce, like the hot sauce. I bought Bulldog hot sauce, right? 2 times spicy and carbonara. I ate all the 2 times spicy, and now I'm trying carbonara. And I did mess up the tofu. That's the only thing I'm mad about. But yeah, I need to review it on its own. So I can compare like the 2 times spicy to the carbonara. Oh, you know what? Let me just get some and tell you. Okay. Just because I want to give you guys an accurate comparison, I sauced this one up extra, and let's see. Hopefully this doesn't hurt me. I don't like it as much as 2 times spicy. It's not nearly as spicy, number one. And number two, it just doesn't have that oomph. Just like the carbonara noodles don't have that oomph for me. Or this has like half the oomph. It's not full oomph. You know what I mean? Ugh, come on. Mmm. Mmm. Wish you could taste the zesties. I thought about putting more on, but then I'm like, you know what? I'm good. Still, though, I do like 2 times spicy more. Mm. You know, I still can't decide if I like Lucky Me or Me Graying more. I think I like Me Graying technically, but like Lucky Me really has grown on me. Enough so that when I went to make, I was gonna go make buldak today, and I looked at all my ramens. And I was like, you know what? Let's do Lucky Me. Let's see, this one has 2 Thai chilies on it, so. Another thing I can't tell is if I can't tell if I like snow chicken or cheesy chicken more. The only difference really is that the cheesy chicken just has the cheese sauce, right? And the um snow chicken is the cheese powder mixed with milk powder, and I also mix it with other seasonings. Watch my recipe video. I'm kind of regretting these 2 eggs now. Like, that might have been too much. But you know, I had all this food I had to cook before it goes bad. So, it was kind of like, what do I do, you know? This one looks saucy and spicy. See, like, I'm getting that buldak flavor. Ooh, I'm getting the spice. but something's just missing for me compared to the 2 times spicy. I'm snotty and I don't even have anything to wipe myself with. Oof. Well, I'm getting full, but I have to finish this because it's so good and it's not really gonna work as like leftovers. I should have just done one Lucky Me. Mm. Mm. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh. I just coughed up a boba. Oops. Let me focus on finishing up this chicken because this is like the better part of it, right? I think I like the cheesy chicken more. Although the snow chicken does work really well with the spice. Yeah, because this is not nearly as good as when I did. I'm so sorry, I'm snotty and I don't have anything to wipe myself with, so I'm being gross. Oh well. When I did the cheesy chicken and rosé bulldog, that was a lot better than this. But I just felt this would work for me today, so. How are my wonderful zesties doing today? It is January 1st, 2024. 5, sorry. Can't believe I'm turning 35 this year. Thank you all for loving such an ancient man like me. Let's hope that this year is better than the previous 34 years, because they have not been very well. There were a couple good years in there, but let's hope number 35 is better, okay? But I have to be grateful for whatever I have. Like, even though I could complain a lot about my apartment, at least I have an apartment that I am able to pay. And live in alone. Because if I were sharing, I probably would not be able to do this. And I just have to get all these failures out of my head. Like the new year, especially this one, because like these past couple years have just been so rough for me. I'm just thinking like, oh, I'm such a failure. I could have done this, or should have done this, or I almost had this, or like, trust me, I could go for like, if I told you like specific details of what I'm talking about, I could go on for days and months and years. I mean, really, things have not gone in my favor. But, But you can't think like that if you want to be successful, you know? You have to think, okay, well, what can I do better now? What can I improve on now? What can I do to have whatever life I want beyond my wildest dreams, you know? And to be honest, I don't think my goals are that crazy. I just want a nice house or a penthouse, like I say. You know? A nice kitchen, obviously. Because, you know, a lot of people get on me on the use of the air fryer. But also, I don't care. You're looking at someone who works 7 days a week, even yesterday and today, the 31st and the 1st. I worked. So I do whatever's convenient, or I have time, or I have space, or whatever. But I would love to have like a huge, beautiful kitchen where I could just like, you know, theoretically, if I were making food videos like full time, like I actually were able to do that as like a job, right? Woo! Woo! Give me a second here. Oh, of course, there's more boba in there too. And I don't even think that's so out of the question, to be honest, because there's tons of people who've gone popular mukbanging, tons of people who've gotten popular, what's it called? Cooking. Tons of people who've gotten popular restaurant reviews. People who have gotten popular just from the crumble cookie reviews. So, but you know, if that were the case, I could use better ingredients, fresh ingredients. Because a friend of mine said that about the calamari. Oh, it's frozen calamari. Oh, it's rubbery, which was a lie. Mine was beautiful and soft and glorious. And he was like, you know, you need, I think I'm not going to finish the tofu. Oops. He was like, you need, oops, I'm putting it on my table. Oh, well. You need fresh calamari. You know, it costs like similar to the frozen. And I was like, well, it's not really about the price. It's about like the convenience. The fact that I had that calamari sitting in the freezer for months until I just decided to use it. You know, but I would love to have, like, you know, if you go back in my videos, if you see my cooking videos when I was in Mississippi, which was boudin balls and fried catfish and spaghetti. If you watch those videos, I had access to a much larger kitchen with much more like stuff and space. And it was really nice. And to my Zesty who criticizes my use of the air fryer, well, there's lots of air fryer haters out there, but you know, I fried the catfish in oil, real deal frying, right? And it wasn't deep fry, but it was pan fry, close to deep fry. And it was glorious. But you know, maybe that's another thing this year. I need to start saying, well, one second, Zesties. Okay, I cleaned my chopsticks and I forgot what I was talking about. Man, Zesties, I have like 2 pieces of chicken left, but I'm so full. I'm not finishing that tofu. Sorry, not sorry. But it's tough to finish this chicken, but I'm not letting the chicken go to waste. Because I just have to get it done. I know I keep saying this, but I feel like this is the end of my Asian kick. I need a break from the Asian stuff. I wonder what I should do though, because I know I have to do Caribbean because I still have Scotch bonnet. Yeah, you know what it's like. I appreciate the difference in styles, you know, but I definitely felt more nourished from the curry last night. Much more hearty and wholesome and whatever. Well, this was quite a feast, Zesties. Bye, Zesties.